HubSpot CRM for sales. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on HubSpot and how we can use HubSpot CRM for sales and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up HubSpot.com on your laptop or your PC, and this is where you will get. So today I'll show you that how we can use HubSpot for our sales and how we can do email marketing with HubSpot and how it helps us to run a successful business online. So first of all, you require an account on HubSpot, so you can go to your Google account and you can actually sign in or sign up with your Google account or with your email address. Once you have HubSpot, then this is where you will get. We have this panel right here on HubSpot where we get contacts, and in contacts we have contact, company, calls, activity feed, and list. Then we have conversions where I will be able to find my inbox, chat flow, snippets, and templates. In marketing, we have ads, email, landing page, website, social, SEO, campaign, and design tool. And then we have sales right here where I can create deals, forecast, task, documents, meetings, payments, playbook, and codes. And then we have services, automation, and reports. When it comes to the sale aspect of HubSpot, we can create deals, we can create tasks, then we can also keep track of our different companies and calls. So let's get into the CRM and I'll show you how we use HubSpot for sales. So first thing that we do is we create a contact first or a company for which we will be creating a deal for or maybe a lead. So what you have to do is you will go to the contacts and then you can create a contact. So in order to create one, you'll click on this option. It will take you to this window. So you just have to enter email address and then we will enter first name and last name. So that's what I'm going to do. So you have to enter the details right here. You have email, first name, last name, contact, honor, job title, and more. So you have to click on create and then your new contact will be created. And now I can go ahead and create notes for this contact. Then I can create emails, calls, tasks, and meetings. So with HubSpot, what happens is now I have a contact, right? I can actually do a lot with it. There are a lot of different options available and I don't have to go to any other platform to create the tickets, to create deals, to create leads, and more. So now I can work within the contact as well, or I can go to sales section separately and create a deal. But you can see right here within our contact that I have opened up, this is the contact that I just created, right? And you can see we have all of these different options. So I have companies, deals, and tickets. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, I'm going to click on company and I will actually relate this client to a company as well. So I will create their company. I'm going to create a new one or we can actually go with the existing as well. So I'm going to create new one for you guys. You just have to enter their company domain name. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we have a domain. So this is what it's going to be. And in company owner, what I'm going to do is I will be adding. So here I have added all of the details for the company. You can see now we will click on create. And this new company will be created. And now I will get different options. And I have created and related our, client with the company. So we have it right here and now I can create deals. You can see this company has one contact, which is this person right here, which is the CEO, let's say. And now when every time my other team members, my salesperson will refer to this client, we will know that they're talking about this company. And we have this company and they have these clients and I can create more contacts as well. For example, the company CEO, then we have the manager, then we have their team. So we can create it right here. Now, the important part of sales is creating deals. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a deal for this company. Just click on add deal or you can go to sales right here and you can go to deals from here as well. So we have create new option. Again, I'm going to create a new one. So first of all, what is the first option is deal name. So you will enter any name you want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a test deal. Moving on, we have pipeline. So we have to select pipeline, that what pipeline it's going to be for. So I already have created one pipeline, which is going to be sales. Then we have to select this deal stage. This is an important part of a deal, like what stage it is at right now. If it's a qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, contract sent, closed won, or closed lost. So it's going to be, let's say that we have actually scheduled an appointment. So that's where it is right now. I'm gonna select this option, and then we have to enter an amount. For amount, let's just go with $10,000 for now. Then we have close date. So this is where you will be adding a close date for your deal. So it's going to be like automatically it will set like 15 to 16 days, but of course we can select months, we can select a year as well, so it depends on you. I'm gonna select this date right here and save it. Then we have deal owner. So this is where you will be adding your deal owner, like a team member. Then we have our deal type. So it's a new business. Priority. So we have to select the priority as well. I'm going to select it to add it to high priority. Associated deal with. So here what I can do is I can add my contact, the contact that I just added, because we are actually interacting with this person right here. Then we have company. So we know that this is the company. And then we have line item. So I want to add any line item, I can go ahead and add it. So just click on create and a new deal will be created for this company, and we can now start with our sales for this company, for this client. So the appointment is scheduled and we have all the details right here. We know the activity. This is the recent activity, appointment scheduled. Then I can create notes for my clients as well. So I can just create a note quickly that is going to be so I have added a note, proofread all documents before meeting, and I'm going to save it right here. Then we have emails, and now what I can do is I can create an email as well for my client, or what I can do is I can create it for my team as well. So we can connect our Gmail, Office 365, or any other email that you have. So we kind of like go with Gmail. It's a simple one, but if you have a business email, then you can also go ahead and connect that. Then we have calls. All of the different calls will be tracked here, and if we make any call, any salesperson is making any call, I will be able to track from here. Then we have task as well, which is quite similar to the notes. We can create different tasks for our deal right here that we just created, and helps us keep track of our task that we have to do, and it also helps us work on our CRM. Then we have meetings, and this is where we can create a meeting as well, and that's what I'm gonna do. And what happens is you can create a Google Calendar event or a meeting, or you can also connect your Outlook calendar. So a calendar is also available, the integration, and there are other integrations available as well in HubSpot that allow us to work on our CRM. And what we can do is we can actually integrate our calendars, our emails to work on our CRM, and HubSpot is actually one of the best platforms out there that you should definitely check out. So this is how you will be working on your contacts, companies, and calls, and also create deals and create documents, meetings. We can also create payment, which is available in the upgraded plan of HubSpot that will allow you to actually create forecast, payment, and playbooks as well, so you don't even have to go to any other platform, any accounting platform for your CRM. All the options are available and you can avail them on HubSpot.com. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.